Hello students, we have read about the wake up poem and today we will discuss about the worksheet of this chapter. Worksheet of wake up है ना. Let us start today's worksheet. First question क्या है? Write the answer of the following questions. जो following questions हैं इनके आंसर आप लोगों को फाइंड आउट करने हैं, देने हैं. नंबर 1, who wakes you up in the morning? आपको कौन सुबह उठाता है? Wakes you up in the morning. The answer is my mother wakes me up in the morning. It is possible that may your father, may your grandparents wake up you in the morning and you should write who wakes up you in the morning. Second है, what do you think birds says to each other in the morning? What do you think birds says to each other in the morning? Answer होगा birds says good morning to each other in the morning. Next, which creatures wake up in the morning before the child does? Answer, the cows, birds, bees, ducks, horses, sheep and chickens wake up in the morning before the child does. These all creatures wake up early in the morning before the child does. Now you have to write 6 words to sound of B. B, बाइक. इस प्रकार आपने साउंड के वर्ड लिखने हैं. तो मैंने आप लोगों के लिए लिखा है बिग, बबल्स, बीन, बैग, ब्लू, ब्लो, ठीक है, ब्लीड. Like that you write any other words in these questions. Fill in the blanks. वही डिग्री है जो आप लोगों ने एक्सरसाइज में सोल्व की थी. बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट, स्लीपी, स्लीपियर, स्लीपेस्ट, गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, लव, लवलियर, लवलिएस्ट, लेट, later, latest. Next है, you have to connect 2 sentences with and but. I have told earlier that when we use and to connect 2 sentences, this means the idea or things are same, so that we use and if we are connecting the opposite idea and different things in a sentence by using but. Okay, first example है, it is the time to get up for school. I want to sleep for some more time. Answer होगा it is time to get up for school but I want to sleep for some more time. Because टाइम हो चुका है स्कूल जाने के लिए उठने का, लेकिन जो है इसमें सब्जेक्ट है वो क्या करना चाहता है, वो खुद सोना चाहता है. तो बट वी यूज बट हियर, नॉट एंड, है ना. एवरीवन हैज गॉन टू स्लीप. आई वांट टू रीड माय बुक बिकॉज एवरीवन हैज गॉन टू स्लीप एंड आई वांट टू रीड माय बुक. इन दीज 2 sentences there are different ideas or different things, so we use but. Everyone has gone to sleep but I want to sleep but I want to read my book. Raju plays cricket and he also plays hockey. Means in these 2 sentences cricket and hockey played by Raju, so we use and. Raju plays cricket and hockey. Ram is intelligent boy and he is also brave boy. Means these 2 sentences में क्या वो intelligent भी boy है और brave भी है. कौन? Who? Ram. Then Ram is an intelligent and brave boy. The sun shines in day and the moon shines in night. These 2 different things occurs in 2 different times, so we use but. The sun shines in day and but the moon shines in night. Next 5 question, rhyming word. You have to write for rhyming word. Day, shade, play, bees, trees, keys, bed, head, red, out, about, shout. Okay, and you may add a few more words in it. Next, write about 5 lines about yourself. Okay, and in these lines you should like your like, dislikes, hobbies, habits and interests. I have written few lines for you, and you may be write different lines from these lines. Okay, my name is Kamal Kumar. I like to eat mango. I read story books every Sunday. I get up early in the morning. I obey my parents and teachers. I do yoga half an hour daily. Football is my favorite game. Okay, so you should also write your hobbies, like dislikes in these questions. I hope all of you understand this worksheet. Thank you and have a nice day.